Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the Wyze Cam OG, the Wyze Cam OG Telephoto, and the Wyze Cam OG Stack Kit. And as you can see, I've already got them stacked up. So one of these is a regular field of view, the other one is a telephoto field of view. They both come with waterproof connectors here to plug them in. And the stack kit is what allowed these two to go together, so they snap together. But they come with the power cables you need, the power adapters you need. They even have a really cool cable. One end is a USB-A, right, which plugs into the power adapter. And the other end is actually two ends, so you can plug into both cameras at the same time, so you can power the whole thing up as one unit. And what I like about this is if I want, I can use them separately, and they give you everything you need to use them separately. But with the stack kit, I can install just one thing out there and have a nice broad view of what I'm looking at. Plus, I can focus it in a certain area with a 3x telephoto. So that is the Wyze Cam OG, the Wyze Cam OG telephoto, and the Wyze Cam stack kit. So I'm going to go off and install this and come back and do a full review. Thank you.